Earning six-figure income online. In today's digital age, earning a six-figure income online has become a reality for many individuals. The internet has opened up a plethora of opportunities for people to create their own online businesses and generate substantial income. So, what sets apart the six-figure online earners from the rest? In this article, we will uncover the secrets of these successful individuals and explore the strategies that have proven to work. One of the key secrets to becoming a six-figure online earner is having a clear and focused mindset. Successful individuals in this field understand the importance of setting specific goals and working towards them with determination and perseverance. They have a strong belief in their abilities and are willing to put in the necessary time and effort to achieve their desired results. This mindset allows them to overcome obstacles and setbacks along the way, ultimately leading to their success. Another crucial aspect of becoming a six-figure online earner is having a well-defined niche. It is essential to identify a specific target audience and cater to their needs and desires. By focusing on a particular niche, individuals can position themselves as experts in that field and attract a loyal following. This niche specialization allows them to stand out from the competition and establish themselves as trusted authorities, which ultimately leads to increased sales and revenue. Furthermore, successful online earners understand the importance of building and maintaining a strong online presence. They leverage various digital marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and content creation to attract and engage their target audience. By consistently producing high-quality content that resonates with their audience, they are able to build a loyal community of followers who trust their expertise and are more likely to purchase their products or services. In addition to a strong online presence, successful online earners also utilize effective sales funnels to maximize their revenue. By optimizing their sales funnels, individuals can increase their conversion rates and generate more sales. This involves creating compelling landing pages, offering valuable incentives, and implementing effective email marketing campaigns to nurture leads and encourage them to take action. Another secret to becoming a six-figure online earner is having multiple streams of income. Diversifying income sources allows individuals to mitigate risks and ensure a steady cash flow. Successful online earners often have multiple products or services, affiliate partnerships, and passive income streams such as online courses or membership sites. By diversifying their income, they are not solely reliant on one source, increasing their overall earning potential. Lastly, continuous learning and adaptation are crucial for success in the online earning world. Successful online earners invest in their knowledge and skills by attending conferences, taking online courses, and networking with other industry professionals. In conclusion, becoming a six-figure online earner is not an overnight success story. It requires a clear mindset, niche specialization, a strong online presence, effective sales funnels, multiple streams of income, and continuous learning. By implementing these strategies and secrets, individuals can increase their chances of achieving financial success in the online world. So, whether you are just starting out or looking to take your online business to the next level, remember to learn from the secrets of the six-figure online earners and apply them to your own journey.